And the next concept is tokens. So what is tokens in C? So tokens means a single unit. Okay, a single unit in a program is called a token. Okay, whatever we are giving, for example, see in this program you are giving hash include std.h void main and then open parenthesis integer a equal to, so everything is called a token. Okay, so this token consists of what? So this token consists of any keywords. So keyword, okay, the tokens consist of keyword, or it may be an identifier, or it may be a comment, or it may be a semicolon, or it may be a white spaces. Okay, so each one is called as a token. Okay, so what is keyword? Keyword is some reserved word to perform a particular task. To perform a specific task, some words are reserved in a computer. So that is called as keywords. Keywords are reserved words to perform a particular task. Okay, so this will come under the token. For example, printf, main, scanf, if, else. So these are some reserved words inside the computer to perform a particular task. So wherever it sees printf, it will print the data. Okay, so keywords or reserved words to perform the specific task. So for example, what you can say, printf. So printf means it print the value, and scanf means it will get the value from the computer, right? Yes. The next one is identifier. Identifier is the name of the variable. Okay, identifier is name of the variable. So suppose if I want to assign some value, so name, okay, for name, or a equal, if I want to calculate c equal to a plus b, so a is the identifier. Okay, name of the variable. So it allows a to z underscore or 0 to 9. So you can give the name which should be consist of a to z and underscore or 0 to 9. So that is the valid identifier. For example, a val equal to 5. So this is the valid identifier. A underscore val equal to 10. This is also valid identifier. And student number 9, that is equal to 2, 3. So this is also an valid identifier. What is an invalid identifier? Which should not consist of except this. So the any variable which is not included this rules, that is it allows only, so it allows only a to z and underscore or 0 to 9. So these are all the valid identifier. If it is not consist of any of, if it violates any of this rule, then it is called as an invalid identifier. For example, if you start with the letter, okay, so 2a equal to 5. So this is wrong. Okay, the first letter should be an alphabetic letter. And if you are giving student space number equal to 10. So this is also wrong, because here you are mentioned the space. Space is not allowed in between the variables. Space is not allowed in between the variables. Okay, if you give underscore, that is fine. Okay, so these are all the small errors when you are doing the program. These are all the small errors we have to keep it in our mind. So identifiers are the name of the variable which is allowed and start with a to z, and underscore is allowed, and 0 to 9 is allowed in between the identifiers. Okay. Yes. What is command line? Command line is just for our understanding. Okay. So to understand the program, if I return the program, if somebody comes after me, they don't know what it is. So for understanding purpose, this is command line, which is for the user understanding or programmer understanding we are written. So /*, here we are getting the assigning the student number. Okay, so anyone who comes later, they will understand, okay, student number is assigned in this place. Okay, So these are all the command lines. This is multi command line and this is single command line. If I want to do any single line as a command line, I have to use this double slash. And if I want to use a multiple lines, okay, some set of 10 or 20 lines, I want to make it as a command, then I can use slash star, and at the end of the statement I can use star slash. Okay, so that is called multi command line. So these command lines are not executed by the computer. These command lines are not executed by the computer, which is for only our understanding. And the next one is semicolon. Semicolon is also called as a statement terminator. So wherever you are using a val equal to 5, the statement must be end with semicolon. Okay, so every statement must end with semicolon. Okay, this is called semicolon, is also called as a token, which is a statement terminator. It is a statement terminator. Okay, the next one is white spaces. For example, whenever you are declaring the data type integer space, okay, a, b, c. So this is a statement. I am declaring the variables. So while you are declaring the variables, this space, okay, this is a white space. Okay, don't confuse with underscore. This is a white space here. So this is also called as a token. So this is also called as a token. So what is token? Token is a single unit in a program. It consists of keyword, identifiers, comments, semicolons, and white spaces. Okay, keywords are a reserved word which is used to perform a specific task, and identifiers are the name of the variable which should be allowed start with A to Z or capital A to Z, and underscore is allowed, and 0 to 9 is allowed. So capital A to Z is also allowed, and which should be a case sensitive. Capital A is different with small a. Okay, that we have to remember. And some of the valid identifier and some of the invalid identifiers we have seen. And what is command line? It is for just for our understanding, we are written in the program, right? So there are single line command line and multi-line command. So if I want to do multiple lines as a command line, I have to mention slash, star, and star slash. If I want to make it as a single line as a command line, I have to use this double slash. And the next one is semicolon. Then semicolon, it's a statement terminator. So wherever the compiler sees the semicolon, it is also called as a statement terminator. Okay, so this statement is completed here. For example, when you are returning the paragraph, you are putting full stop, right? That is a statement terminator. This is cat, full stop. This is do. So in the same way, in this program, C program, we are returning the semicolon as a statement terminator. And the next one is white spaces. For example, what are you are giving a space? Wherever you want to give space, data type, space, variable name, comma, variable name 2, comma, variable name 3. So this is white space. It's also considered for tokens. Okay.